everybody in YouTube land, Live World Trains here. Hey, I want to thank all my subscribers who have found my channel over the last couple of years and have enjoyed my videos. I want to thank you for that. Hey, and if you want to help new people who haven't found my channel to find it and enjoy my videos like you have, every time you watch one of my videos, give it a thumbs up. That's right. When you give my videos a thumbs up, it helps new rail fans find my channel and enjoy the videos the same way you have the last couple of years. So I want to thank you for that in advance. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go get some train videos right now. Fast train right there. He is booking. Well, there's the DPU. Let's check it out. DPU, all right. It's cool when you can see the engine like that when there's a bunch of bare tables behind it. You don't get a view like that too often. I hear another horn, unless that's him, but I don't think he'd be at the next crossing yet. Sounds like another train coming eastbound. It wouldn't surprise me if you see another train coming around the corner there as this guy gets near the corner. You can see the train right at the right of the screen going around the bend. That is 3 miles away. Yep, there's another train right there. I thought I heard a horn, and it couldn't have been the one that just went by. We have a train meeting. How awesome is that? Long range view. He's 3 miles away. So it should take about just under 3 minutes for him to get here. the one that's approaching with the headlights on. Give it about 2.5 minutes. Awesome long-range train meet from Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Bah. Glad it ain't too cold out. It's about 38, but not much wind, a little breeze. Manageable. The symbol on the train that just went by is CSX I-009. That train starts out in Port Newark, New Jersey, terminates at Bedford Park near Chicago, Illinois, heading west. Oh, looks like something fell off the train. Papers. You see papers blowing around. I don't wonder if that's coming off the train or what. This could be empty trash containers. Let's see when it gets closer. That wouldn't surprise me. It could be the Q635, but it's not. It doesn't look very long, but that's hard to tell when you're 2 miles away. 1.5 miles, I guess. More like it. To get the earplugs back on. Cool train meet right there, wouldn't you say? Symbol on that train is CSX Q568. That train starts out in Walbridge, Ohio, heads east to Buffalo, New York, where it terminates at the Frontier Yard. Now I hear that horn. Almost sounds like I hear another horn. Could be truck traffic over the thruway though. like more paper or something down there bouncing around. I don't know if that came off this train or what, but I seen paper flying around when it was approaching, and I figured it had to have some empty trash cars on it, and that's what it was. That's what it had. Had about 10, 15 or so empty trash cars. Pretty cool train meet there, wasn't it? We had the CSX I-009 heading east. That train starts out in Port Newark, New Jersey, terminates in Bedford Park, Illinois, and as it got about 3 miles away, well, before that, I heard another horn, and I knew it couldn't have been him because he couldn't have been at the next crossing, which is about 5 miles away. So I thought another train would be coming, or it could have been another Norfolk Southern, which it wasn't. But as it got to about 3 miles away around the bend there, I seen the headlight coming of the oncoming train, which was the CSX Q568, which starts out in Walbridge, Ohio, and terminates in Buffalo, New York. All on this Sunday, December 5th, 2021, from Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Okay, here comes the next train video. Roll it. Hold it. Don't click away, because there's more trains to come. There always is a Wide World of Trains, because you ain't seen nothing yet. Here's the next video. Roll it. Bunch of bear tables on NS 206. That train starts out at the 63rd Street Yard in Chicago, Illinois, terminates at the Bison Yard in Buffalo, New York, all on this Sunday, December 5th, 2021, from Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Got the air raid siren going off. I think we have a train coming too. Yep, there it is. He's about a mile away. Going under the CP39 signal tower. Right behind that train is an old New York Central control tower that's no longer in use. It was last used in the 50s or 60s, and it still stands. Glad they didn't tear it down. Be a good thing to restore, I think. It's not in bad shape. It's all solid red brick. Real good condition, really, the outside anyways. Looks like the local train. C745 heading back to Erie, Pennsylvania. Probably will have a GP38 or GP40-3 SpongeBob unit leading, because there's no way to turn the engines around unless they want to go all the way to Buffalo, another 35-40 miles, and that would be a waste of time and money and fuel. Oh, he's notching it up. It's starting to smoke. Darn weeds getting in the way. I gotta move over a little. There he goes. He's revving it up, baby. Look at that. I pressed the button the wrong way. I was covering my mouth with my jacket. I didn't want to breathe in that smoke. I wasn't paying attention to the lens. Symbol is C745. Starts out in Erie, Pennsylvania, comes to Dun Kirk, New York, services local industries such as Ralston Purina, Refreshco beverages, etc. Wells Food ice cream. Once it's done, it heads back to Erie, Pennsylvania, which he's doing now, all on this Monday, November 29th, 2021 from Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Alright, here comes the next video. Roll it. He really notched it up back there. wide world of trains here. It's a very long CSX IO20 heading east. The train starts out in Bedford Park, Illinois, terminates in Worcester, Massachusetts. All on this Thursday, December 2nd, 2021. From Wide World of Trains on YouTube. A couple cabooses. Whoa! Couple old cabooses. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Two chassis cabooses. No way.